Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Daiwa Saltwater Spinning Reel. The Daiwa Saltwater Spinning Reels were designed lighter and stronger in a more compact package. The Daiwa BGSW is one of the best reels that have ever reviewed when it comes to getting your money's worth. The reel is solidly built with an aluminum housing that protects an oversized main digi gear that is smooth as silk. The waterproof carbon ATD drag system delivers up to 33 pounds of fish stopping drag. This reel is powerful, yet priced just right. This reel is perfect for nearshore or offshore fishing. In handle, air rotor, dynamic cut aluminum ABS spool. At the heart of the reel is a machined aluminum alloy digigear designed for smoothness, strength and durability. Our second best Daiwa Baitcaster is Daiwa Reverse LT Spinning Reel. This is one of Daiwa's most popular entry-level spinning reels, and it offers a range of impressive features and capabilities that anglers of all skill levels would appreciate. It's one of the most affordable Daiwa fishing reels on my list and can often be purchased for less than budget from both online retailers or bait and tackle shops and sporting goods stores. Beginner anglers or avid fishermen who might be looking for a solid spinning reel that delivers outstanding value should look to the Daiwa Reverse LT. The Reverse LT is another reel that boasts the lightweight and tough moniker, and anglers who prefer using a lightweight spinning reel will appreciate the lengths Daiwa engineers and design experts have gone to in producing this particular reel. The sizes of the Daiwa Reverse LT range from a small 1000 size that's ideal for ultralight rods and weighs 7.4 ounces, all the way up to a 4000 size model that weighs 9.9 ounces. The air rotor weighs up to 15% less than ordinary rotor designs. Its unique shape reduces unnecessary weight while distributing stress more evenly throughout the rotor for maximum strength. Third pick in our list is Daiwa Fuego CT Baitcasting Reel. Daiwa reels are known for their reliability and longevity. Fuego CT line of baitcasters feature an all-new lower profile design that is as good looking as it is comfortable to fish. This reel special is the aluminum CT frame that delivers durability and performance, the air rotation which gives it a silky smooth effortless retrieve. The MagForce braking system delivers an incredible free spool with an extremely long and manageable cast. Large, 90mm swept power handle with cutouts for reduced weight. Daiwa reels are always in the conversation when it comes to reliable reel brands. It's light but strong and features Daiwa's signature T-wing system, which allows for long free spool casts while also reducing backlashes. Number 4 in our side is Daiwa CA80XS Baitcasting Reel. Daiwa reels are well known for being capable of anglers using them in both freshwater and saltwater environments, but the Coastal SV is just what inshore saltwater fishermen are looking for in a solid, low-profile baitcasting reel. The Coastal's SV stands for Stress-Free Vertical Cast Control Technology. This technology makes it possible for anglers to use a wide variety of lures, both large and small, light and heavy, through the SV cast control system, which adapts to each one without the need for manual adjustments each time you swap lures. Considering all the features and incredible performance, the Daiwa Coastal SV is superior to the competition when it comes to inshore low-profile baitcasting reels. It's an extremely versatile baitcaster. Number 5 in our top 5 key best Daiwa baitcaster word list is Daiwa FGLT 2500 DXH Fuego. This reel is similar to the BG, yet it's made with a few different components that make it quite a bit more lightweight than any of Daiwa's other saltwater spinning reel products. The Fuego LT is moderately, which makes it a reel that anglers of all skill levels can typically afford. Another outstanding inshore fishing reel is the Daiwa Fuego LT. The Daiwa Fuego LT is also made with the tough digi gear system, which helps to give anglers an extremely sensitive and smooth action in casting or retrieval. The reel gets most of its lightweight feel thanks to certain parts being made with a much lighter material that offers comparable durability to the materials that are often used. The air rotor of the Daiwa Fuego LT is said to be 15% lighter than most other types of material, yet it's made with the same toughness one would expect. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.